I've made some really good progress, but fogged the screen up. Well, my overflow tank for the radiator has finally cracked. The sun gets to it and it just dries it out, cracks it. But I'll show you what I got done today. So we're walking in a new area. Right through here was where I had stopped last time. So I've got all that pile pushed up from all of this back in here. House is up that way. There's the road. I still have probably 30 feet from here to the road there as it turns and climbs up the hill. And I'll probably end up leaving that for the dozer. And all of this is freshly cleared today. Got another 50 feet over there to the property line. Look at all that. No, a backhoe is not ideal for land clearing, but it does the job, as you can see. I'll have to come back through and back drag it and get every bit of it smooth, but I'm going to wait until these trees are cut out and the stumps are dug out, and then I'll smooth it all at one time. Still not 100% sure exactly what trees are coming out, but I know for sure the bigger oaks are. And I know I really want, like I said before, to keep the hemlocks because I think they're just so pretty. But there's a nice poplar right there and some nice oaks. Make some really good lumber. See, I got all back in through here, but there's some trees down, makes it look still grown up, but it really isn't. It's just where I've knocked a few trees over and I didn't get a chance to push them all out before that reservoir tank blew the side out of it. But made some great progress today. I am pleased with it. I'm gonna head back up to the house and see what else I can get into this evening. Doing a little cleanup here in the chicken pen. The girls aren't quite sure what to make of fire. So if you remember, a couple weeks ago I came through here with a weed eater and cleaned this up. Remember all these little hitchhikers, these burrs? I'm gonna burn these suckers now. You'd like to eat one, wouldn't you? Let's go. Let's go. No, you may not eat a chicken. He wants a chicken so bad. Look at him being a good boy. Well guys, it's almost the end of another day. I gotta tell you, this is not a job for lazy folks. If you're lazy, don't try homesteading. Forget farming, forget ranching, forget homesteading, forget whatever you want to call it, because it ain't for you. What every rancher loves to hate is the fact that there's never an end to the work. That's a good thing and a bad thing. It's bad if you're lazy, but it gives you something to look forward to. Doesn't matter what you've completed, there's always some other task on the horizon that you can dream about and plan about, think about, figure out the best way, the most efficient way, the way that's going to make your place look the best. You get to dream it, design it. What you see in your head is what you get to create. This is a little project I've been wanting to do for weeks, but there's about 1 million other projects. So this one got put off until the backhoe broke down on me. Now I had a few minutes before dark, so I thought it'd be perfect to come out here and do this. Get all this junk cleaned up so that this is mowable. Scoob, leave them chickens alone. You know better. Hey, quit being a tard. I love it, guys, I really do. I love the challenge, I love the work. I feel good at the end of the day, even though I'm tired. I feel good because I've accomplished things. I'm building my dream. This place was nothing when I started. It didn't even have a driveway. And we've built our home, we've built the driveway, we're building pasture right now, as you saw earlier. We've already put this chicken corral together, and it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's functional. I have been making some really good progress on some pasture. Check that out. Scoob. That tard. But look at that pasture growing over there. Eventually, there'll be some cows, maybe some horses over there running in that. For now, I'm still working on creating more grass and better fencing so that when I do reach a point that I can buy some cattle, I won't have to worry about them getting out. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching till the end. I appreciate everybody that watches and leaves comments. Look forward to it. Y'all have a good one.